In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove video background on Filmora 14. So I have opened Filmora 14 on my PC. So now just drag and drop on video to timeline. So just you can see this is my video. So first work, I need to click on this video element, then click on this AI mapping. You can see this is AI mapping. I again AI mapping. So now you need to just click on AI put rate cut out. So wow, you need to 1 or 2 seconds for the processing. It's very to PC by PC configuration, so that this doesn't matter. So you can see it's already removed. So if I playing this one, wow, it's really working. So this is the method how you can remove video background on Filmora 14. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.